Hi everyone, I'm Govind Kurnool and I'm really excited to be performing alongside Samnavitha Sharma for Chitrahar 6, which is simply Shreya. It is happening on December 3rd at Chowdiah Memorial Hall. So please do come in large numbers. It's my dear friend Samnavitha's own concert. So I'm really delighted to be a part of it. So देर किस बात की है, जल्दी से आप बुक माई शो में टिकट बुक कर लीजिए and see you all. We have some really wonderful songs and a wonderful orchestra led by none other than our Praveen D. Rao sir. So see you all. Just a two lines for you. तुम क्या मिले हम ना रहे हम तुम क्या मिले. If you want to listen to more, please do come. December 3rd, Chowdiah Memorial Hall.